Today is National HVAC Technician Day, and I want to take a moment to recognize the folks who keep South Carolina homes comfortable when the weather is anything but. Every repair, maintenance visit, coil cleaning, airflow check, attic inspection, and system diagnosis takes real skill. And very often, that work is being done in brutal heat and humidity, outside beside hot equipment, in crawl spaces, and in attic temperatures that feel like an oven. HVAC technicians do hard, skilled work in conditions most people try to avoid. They do it so families can come home to cool air, safer systems, and reliable comfort. So every HVAC technician working through the heat and humidity of South Carolina, thank you. And to the technicians of AAA Heating and Air, I want you to know how much we appreciate you. You not only endure discomfort to make our customers comfortable, you do it while maintaining the very highest standards of AAA Heating and Air. We appreciate your skill, your toughness, your professionalism, and your commitment to the people we serve across the Midlands. Need an HVAC service technician to visit your home? Call AAA Heating and Air today at 803-920-3771.
AAA Air when you need us. AAA Heating and Air.